I learned this trick in a famous restaurant. Now I only make ribs like this. In a skillet filled with 1 liter of boiling water, add 1 kilo of pork ribs. Cover the skillet and let them cook for 20 minutes. After this time has passed, flip the ribs, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 3 crushed garlic cloves. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it. And we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Cover and let them cook for another 15 minutes. Now, add 50 milliliters of soy sauce, 100 milliliters of water, stir again, and let the sauce reduce. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now. Type that recipe and download it. Next, flip the ribs. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. And add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of pepper jelly, 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir. This is the right point. If you wish, add parsley to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.